Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio and Visual in Winchester. This is a video of a 2020 Toyota GT86 having a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS installed. We've also installed a rear camera to this, as you can see here. It's a nice little feature. I'll show you that on the screen. If I jump in, there we are. So it's all fitted in nicely with the trims. This has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wirelessly and wired. We've also utilised the, put that down, this is the original USB. That is connected directly to the KENWOOD. If we put the car into reverse, there we are, you get the reverse screen up. Nice image. Back out again. This also works with the steering wheel controls, so you can adjust the volume, forward and back track and mode via the steering wheel. If you'd like to have this done in your GT86, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.